Hello students, welcome to Sources classes. Today we'll be solving the CSIR UGC NET questions from the December 2016 paper. We'll be solving the general aptitude questions from the life sciences and the physical sciences paper. So in this question it has been given that intravenous IV fluid has to be administered to a child of 12 kg with dehydration at a dose of 20 mg of fluid per kg of body weight in 1 hour. So what should be the drip rate, that is in drops per minute, of IV fluid? Now it has been given that 1 milligram is equal to 20 drops. Now if you give 20 drops of IV fluid, then it becomes 1 milligram. So option A is 7, option B is 80, option C is 120 and option D is 4. So there is a child who is of weight 12 kg and the child has dehydration. Now for 12 kg, now the dosage of this IV is 20 milligram of fluid per kg of body weight in 1 hour. So in 1 hour we have to rehydrate the child basically. So now if for 1 kg we have to give 20 milligram of IV fluid, so for 12 kg we have to give 12 into 20 milligram of IV fluid in 1 hour. So therefore required amount of IV in 1 hour is equal to 12 into 20 milligram. So that implies that amount of IV in 1 minute will be equal to 12 into 20 by 60 milligram. Since 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, so we divide it by 60. So therefore number of drops of IV in 1 minute will be equal to 12 into 20 by 60, and since 1 milligram is equal to 20 drops, we multiply it by 20. So this is the number of drops of IV that we need to give in 1 minute. So upon cancellation, this will give us 20 will divide 60, there will be 3 will divide 12 and we'll get 4. So 4 into 20, there will be 80 drops. Number of drops in 1 minute is 80 drops. So the drip rate, so therefore drip rate is equal to 80 drops per minute. So this is the drip rate. So the correct option is option B. So option B is the correct option over here, 80 drops. Today we will solve question number 7. We will be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Sources classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.